Hello everyone, my name is Ashik Shanahan. Today we are discussing about the BCG matrix. A product in a business has been classified into four different categories based on the relative market share and the relative market growth rate. So in the vertical axis we can see the market growth rate and the horizontal axis we can see the relative market share. On the BCG matrix we can see four different classification: the star category, the cash cow, and the question mark and the dog category. So the relative market share is very high and the market growth rate is very high. The products are comes under the star category, and the relative market share is very high and the growth rate is very low rate. These products are comes under the cash cow. So the next one, the cash cow, comes to the third part of the market exhibits a relatively high growth rate, but the company share or the products share is low. We are taking about the high growth market rate and the relatively lower market share. We will call it as a question mark or a problem child. And the last category where the market share is very low and the market growth rate is also very low. So these products are come under the category of dog category. In the question mark category products, we need to pay some attention to these kinds of products. On these types of product that we needed to come up with more strategies and try to increase the market share according to the market growth. We need pay more attention to the question mark category. It will be likely to be moved to the cash cow or the star category, or the relative market share decreases and the relative market growth where also decreases. Such a kind. So moving to the final stage of the BCG matrix is the dog category. The relative market share and the relative growth rate is at the lower level. So these kinds of products are comes under the dog category. Such kinds of products were not making any profit. It will be on a break-even level. So these kinds of products were not generating any profit or any loss. So removing these kinds of product in the business, it will be more helpful to the growth and the sustainability of the business. So these kinds of products were not generating any profit or any loss. If we take Google as an example of BCG matrix, the YouTube is one of the product of from Google, so it comes under the star category. So the YouTube has the highest relative market share and higher growth rate, so it comes under the star category. The search engines Google is comes under the cash cow category. So the market share is very high and the market growth rate is very low. So it comes under the cash cow category. And move to the question mark category. The Google Docs and the Google Drive is relatively market share is very low and the market growth rate is very high. So it comes under the question mark category. And in the dog category, we will look the Google Groups is the one of the products from Google, and Orkut is an online platform. So it will comes under the dog category because the relative market share is fall down and the market growth rate is also fall down. It comes under the dog category. A business can choose one of the four strategies depending on whether the product lies in the strategy is the build, hold, and the harvesting and the digesting stage. So if depending on where the product lies on, the product is lying on this category, which is the question mark category, the company should see whether it can build this product and add more investment on this product. So the question mark category is the building stage. If we put or add some money or investment in the question mark category, it will be moved to the star category. So the relative market share is very high in the star category. So if we invest or put in some money to the question mark category, it will be moved to the star category. This is the hold stage. This is the holding stage. And the next stage is harvesting stage. If we add the high relative market share, the market share is very high and the market growth rate is very low. So this is the harvesting stage of, or the maturity stage of the products. So these kinds of products are comes under the cash cow. The next stage is the declining stage. So the dog category is the declining stage. So these products are or comes out in the market, or such kinds of products are comes under the dog category. So this is the digesting stage of a product. So moving to the conclusion, the BCG matrix is very useful for a portfolio analysis, and the management can take decisions on the product, which products have need more investment in the business, and which product should be avoided, and which product we need to give more strategy. So these kinds of actions can be taken only by the BCG matrix. So the categorizing the products on a business on the star category, the cash cow category, the question mark category, and the dog category. So it will be help us to make take decision on a product. If we can understand in on a question mark category, the product is on the building stage, and the star category the moving to the high relative market share and high relative market growth. So these products will be comes under the star category, and the next stage is the harvesting stage. We can collect more, generating more income from these kinds of products. So these products are comes under the cash cow category, and the last stage is moving to the dog category. So these are the 4 stages of BCG matrix. So I hope you are all are understand. So thank you.